Hello, my name is Garen Wild. This is my presentation on Kotlin. Um, Kotlin is a statically typed modern programming language developed by JetBrains in 2011, and it's mainly what's used for app development. It's meant to be uh, a safer language to develop specifically Android apps uh, than Java, but it is compatible with Java, so you can actually use Java and Kotlin at the same time in whatever uh, thing you're developing. It's concise. It has the null safety, which prevents null pointer exceptions. It works well with Java, uh, as this says. It simplifies asynchronous programming. Growing popularity, quote unquote, server side, and for multiple platform development. And by that, it means that um, Kotlin, as I mentioned earlier, is mainly used for app development uh, in Android. Yes. To set up Kotlin, first you need to get IntelliJ or Android Studio. You can use it in whatever IDE that you would like, but those are the main ones that will help build your project around. And to do so, you come into, say, Android Studio, you select New, type it out, and it'll produce all these little files for you to help you uh, build your app. Uh, the main place you're going to be using Kotlin is right here. This is just a translation app that I was looking at. And then you have the Java down here for binding, for that binding is specifically for different languages that it's translating into. And you have the Gradle down here, which is all the base things like imports, dependencies, uh, and different things like that. You can come here to the Android.com developer or JetBrains to move forward. Kotlin in action. This is just a little bit of code for a little bit of Kotlin code. This is where the text to speech actually happens in specifically my uh, code that I built out. I was looking for speech, and that's why it all popped up here because I had to find it. Took a quick shot of it and put it on here. Um, so this is what it looks like. Strengths and limits. It's easier to learn for Java developers. It increases productivity due to concise syntax, meaning that syntax is a lot more direct and easier to follow than it is for uh, different languages like Java. Uh, it's an active community, so it's still being used, it's still being documented, it's still working. Um, It is a slower compilation than Java in some cases, but smaller ecosystems compared to and it has smaller ecosystems compared to languages like Java, meaning that there are less people using it at this time than there are people that are creating it or using it like Java. And here is the simple references, Kotlin documentation, Android developer guide, and a Kotlin blog. And this is my own translation program, um, which is what I showed earlier. Thank you very much.